Good morning guys, today is Monday for me and it is 11 o'clock right now. I slept so long, I slept so late. I woke up around 9:30, but I usually like to be on my phone and I just had breakfast. As you guys probably see, today's video I will be doing a day in my life. I think I haven't done it for a while and I kind of miss it. And also I stuck at home, that's why I decided to film this video. I was like, it's such a bad weather right now. It is like all smoke and it is very bad air quality, as you guys probably see. Let me show you guys how bad it is. It's very bad air quality right here. So I don't want to be out, so I decided to film the video here. And you guys probably missed a day in my life and I think it's kind of fun. I love vlogging. I actually don't really know what I'm going to show you guys today because basically I live very boring life and I don't want you guys to be bored. But I decided to make a list like what I am going to do today. I hope this is gonna help, and I have a list like right here. Hopefully it's gonna be fun, and yeah, it's gonna be very simple though because as I am. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and I think I'm going to take a shower first, getting ready, and going to do makeup so I can look better. I usually do makeup right here in this corner because I don't have my makeup table, but I think this is very comfortable to sit on the ground and grab whatever I want. I wish I have the makeup table one day, but now it's fine. This is from Elf. I don't know if you noticed my last video, I put this on my eyes and I feel like my eyes is pop up, like it's look nicer, and I kind of like that. Hey guys, I come back and just finished with my makeup and my hair. I'll see what I'm going to do next. It is 1 p.m. already, but I haven't done anything yet, so that's kind of sucks. For the day list, I have to do cleaning. Also, I have fun stuff to do during studying at home. I'm going to find some poster for the wallpaper so I can put in back behind. I should make food before I clean the room, or I should clean the room first. Probably clean the room first. Okay, let's do it. I think it's pretty good now. As I said, we cleaned it yesterday as well, so today is kind of like just make everything in place. And yeah, I am stuffing, so I'm going to make some food, I guess. I really like my makeup today. By the way, I am in love with this look. But yeah, so proud of myself. Oh my god, I got a package today. I'm so happy, you guys. Let's check this out together. Ta-da! I just got a package just right now, so you guys probably can bet what I'm going to do next. I think I'm going to do a little bit of haul, probably gonna be for my next video or something. But I got 2 boxes right here and I'm so excited. I'm super excited for that. I love salad. I am so full, guys. I ate a lot and a little bit spicy, but it's okay. I love spicy food. Now I think I'm going to browse some poster. I think I'm going to Pinterest, and yeah, I will print it out and probably gonna put right there. I don't know, I just feel like my room is very plain right now. It's just all white. I kind of want to put some poster back behind me, like on the closest door. I really like minimalism, so I think I'm going to find some poster that is related to that. So I decided to pick this art picture, and I also print the green one, which is pretty nice. But I don't know if this color is working with this or not. I kind of like this color more. I don't know how it look. I mean, it's look like nice. I love the picture, but I don't know without framing. I don't know, guys. I am having mochi ice cream. Is the best ever. Okay, I am in the car. I am deciding to get some Taco Bell. I am just so lazy to cook for dinner today, so here we go. I'm going to get some taco. I'm just going to drive through though because I just want to get in. Picking up an order.
Okay, awesome. We'll have that ready for you at the window. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you. You too. Update, I still looking for the posters so I can put them a little bit more. I got some like people walking. I think this is very cool, and I will try to fit it there. And also I think I like this one too, but it's kind of like really light, as you guys probably see. I just feel so fun today. It's just very relaxing. I haven't done this for a while, like cutting stuff. It just like I just miss it. I'm going to work out for a few minutes and then I can chill. I just finished my workout and I think I'm going to take a shower because I feel sweaty right now. Okay, so that is for what I really do in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I think I'm going to chill a little bit more and then go to sleep. And yeah, that is all what I have to share to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this video, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.